Welcome to Actual Skill Modelling. My next build is going to be this Revell Space Shuttle with the 747. So the Space Shuttle is the Enterprise, and it's one of the shuttles that were the early shuttle which was launched from the aircraft. So let's have a look in the box and see what's in here. So as you can see, it's quite an old kit. The instructions are a bit yellow. Here we have the decals. On the face of it, they look okay, but I'll scan these and print them off if there's any problems with it. What do we have here? We have just a bit of a club or something like that. So I'll go through the instructions in a moment. So first of all, we have the fuselage for the 747. So these, I would imagine, are for the supports for the Enterprise. Well, quite a big thing, even though the scale is 1:144, it's quite large, isn't it? It's going to have a big wingspan. Next, here's the bag, and notice already that quite a few bits are off sprue. This looks like possibly the shuttle, I would imagine. Yeah, there's the shuttle there. So the shuttle's a good size as well. Can't see much flashing on it, so that's good. The connection point from tree to part looks okay, a little bit heavy, but nothing to worry about. The clear part just popped out there. The clear part's quite nice actually. It's not that grainy sort of whole fogging that you get with the older parts, so that'll clear up really nicely once it's vanished. Oh, I don't know what that's for. That's probably for the plane, the aircraft. We have the wheels, undercarriage. We'll be doing this with the wheels down. I would assume these are the engines for the shuttle, or maybe for the 747, I don't know. Oh, this is the tail unit for the shuttle. And we come to the wings for the 747. They're quite nicely moulded. The lines are a little bit deep, which was okay. Remember, this looks like an old kit. I mean, I've had this one for a few years actually. And I've just got a few bits and pieces in the box there that I've also came off the sprue. So another canopy part there. So the instructions, as I said, they're a bit yellow. So it looks like we're making up the shuttlecraft first. It all looks fairly standard. Then over to the 747. The engines, so it was the engine for the 747. The landing gear. Oh, that looks like it's a stand. That's what that big thing was. That's interesting. Right, well, that's the instructions. Not as clear as you would hope to be, but there again, as I said, they are quite old. So I would look at these instructions again. The decals. Yeah, I think you will have to scan these on the computer and have them just in case I need to reprint them. I don't know how well they're going to be. So anyway, I'll go and get this primed and then I'll start the build. So if you haven't done so already, why don't you check out the channel for my other builds. If you subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit the notification bell. That way you'll be kept up to date not only with this build but with all my future builds. Hit that like button, don't be afraid to leave a comment, and of course you can share the video. But for now, thank you all very much for watching. I'll see you on the next update. Bye bye.